What are you rising on?
Yeah, I want to raise a point of order.
Which point of order have you risen?
That it is not right, Mr. Speaker.
That is debate.
It's not right, Mr. Speaker. We stand here to segment this nation when we have professionals in the Republic of Kenya with knowledge of each and every corner of the Republic of Kenya. Not only knowledge about each and every corner of the Republic of Kenya, but also the region of East and Central Africa. We have Kenyans who have gone to school very well, who can be able to serve in each and every board, regardless whether it is Coast Board or Rift Valley Development Authority or East and or Tana River. Mr. Speaker, we will be driving this country in the wrong direction, where we want to segment our nation in tribal cocoons. And it is very shameful, Mr. Speaker, for our Honorable Linda, Deputy Leader of Majority, to champion that kind of thing.
Order. You have made your point.
I submit.
Honorable Speaker, I want to say this. The best expert...
Order, members.
Honorable
Relax.
Speaker.
Order,
Honorable Speaker.
Order.
Honorable Speaker.
Order, members.
I'm on the floor.
Order. Ruku has made his point, and so clearly. You may proceed.
I want to say this. The best professional, the best expert on matters coast is a guy from the coast region. There can never be any other expert, Honorable Speaker, better than the person who comes from the coast region. Mr. Speaker, I'll speak boldly, and I'll say this. This has been used for many years. It has been used for many years to marginalize communities in their own region, where people bring board members from other places to come and be members of boards in certain regions and use it to oppress and take away resources. Honorable Speaker, I'll stand by that. The best experts in coast are in the coast. They will take over all the boards in the coast because that's what it must be. Honorable Speaker, that I will stand for. So we must reform these regional bodies to ensure that people from a certain region run their boards. Just like counties, people from the same counties run their counties. That we will stand by. You can have your opinion, CNN, because you want to come to the coast and colonize the people from the coast. We will not allow you that space at all. People from the coast will manage their resources. If you don't have an RDA, go and create yours. But
I think we have heard you, and you may take your seat. Honorable members, you don't have to shout. You just come in procedurally, and you'll have your speak on this.